This is a pattern video, how I make a pattern of these kind of marbly, swirly balls. And how did I get this pattern? I have shown in a previous pattern video how to lay out lines in this way. I've got an equator and 2 latitudes going around the ball. I also have longitudinal lines, as if this were a globe. Longitudinal lines, I divided this into 6 triangles, or 6 orange slices, I guess, by drawing 3 lines all the way around the ball. Now, to get this pattern, I think on fewer on this one, I divided each of these in half to get this, but to get more swirls, I divided each of these in 3. But I think if you're going to use a worsted weight yarn, it will work very nicely to divide these in half. If you are going to use a lighter gauge, a fingering weight, you can get more wedges or slices if you divide each of these wedges in 3. Since I'm working with worsted weight today, I'm going to divide each one in 2, which will give me 12 of these to work with. So this ball, I have already laid out the global equator, the latitudes, the longitudes. But I'm going to divide these longitudes then in half. I'll take a little back stitch here. And I'm gonna part way around the ball. I'm gonna stop to tack it down. I'm gonna go through this pole here, the North Pole or South Pole. Sorry about the camera movement here. And I'm back here at the original location. Tack that down. Now I'm going to go through these here, trying to stay halfway in between. Go through the pole. Meet up at the original point, and then the last one. So with 6 lines, I have divided or given my globe 12 longitudes. Now, how do I get to the swirl? I'm going to use this darker yarn to show you how I do that. Basically, each slice starting at the top, let's start it up here, if I follow this line, lay down and follow this line to the first latitude here. I mean, I could keep going down and I get a regular slice, right? But I don't. I just move it over. One, and then I can continue down to the other point. I'll just anchor this here, because you see as I go down its neighbor, I anchor that there. And again, I shift over one, and then I go back to the bowl. So you see how it'll make a swoop. Goes this way, and that way, and then that way. And it's you do that with all the others. You go down here, then go diagonally here, and then back down. And then as you sew your stitches along the line, you will end up kind of guiding it gently to curve. It won't be such a harsh ankle, but you'll be gently guiding your curve. So that's how that's done. That's how you get the swirly marble. Good luck.